everyone, this is Lena and today we're going to be making one pot Claypot chicken rice for dinner. So I like making one pot recipes because it's simple. You just put everything together into a rice pot and just rice cooker and turn it on. So right now I have all of the ingredients here. So we have rice, obviously 1 cup of rice washed and drained. Pre-marinated sliced chicken thigh that has been cut into small bite-sized pieces. We've got cauliflower, canned mushrooms that you chopped into quarters. What's this? This is dried mushrooms that you've soaked to get the stock here, which you'll be using for to make the rice. This is cheong, which is preserved chicken sausage, and this is the sauce that we're putting in. It's dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some ginger juice, and of course, this stuff, which is the mushroom stock. So let's just put everything together and turn it on. More than an hour, and see how it turns out. Oh, steamy. So I'm going to give it a good stir. Look at that.